Crazy creative kitchen. So this is all you will need to make a successful spring roll. So today we're making jerk chicken spring rolls. So we got jerk chicken, some vegetables, carrots, cabbage, peppers, stuff like that. We got rice and beans. We got water. And we got a spring roll wrapper. So to make a successful spring roll, you need spring roll wrapper, your ingredients, and all that stuff. So if you want rice and beans recipe, link in the description below. Jerk chicken recipe, link in the description below. Jerk sauce recipe, link in the description below. But for this jerk sauce for the spring roll, what we do is we take a little bit of mayo, a little bit of hot teriyaki, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and a little bit of honey, and we mix that together. That's for this recipe today. So if you want to make this, you need to do that, or you can just use plain old jerk sauce. You can go in the description below and make some jerk sauce, because you'll need jerk chicken obviously for this recipe. So let's get into the video, let's get into the vibe. Okay, so now we're in the vibe. So the first thing you want to do is put water. So we brush it all the way with water. We put our rice and beans in, a little bit of vegetable. So just because our chicken already has sauce, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put sauce here, because there's sauce already on my chicken. So I put my sauce there. Then I put my chicken. Then I put my jerk chicken, and I fold like that. So what's gonna happen is we take some more water, brush. That's spring roll number 1. We set this aside. Wrapper, water, rice, vegetables, sauce, jerk chicken, fold, twist, make sure it's nice and closed, then we set it aside. And that's our spring roll number 2. And it's pretty simple. And don't forget, hit that like button. Hit that like button. That's how you support the channel. You know, you want to keep that engagement in. So put a little bit of cabbage, sauce, that sauce, jerk chicken, fold it, and just push it like that. Turn, turn, it's finished. Spring roll number 3. And you keep doing that until you're finished. So when you just want to make sure when you put water on, you want to make sure you put it all the way, because you want to get that roll, you want to get it nice and moist so it rolls properly. And if you don't put a lot of water, it won't roll properly. So you just want to make sure when you do it, you get it nice and moist so it rolls properly. So And so now we have our pan on with oil. So we preheated our pan because we're gonna cook our spring roll. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the Vibe. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the Vibe. And if you're a subscriber, drop me a comment, hit that like button, all that good stuff. Crazy Creative Kitchen, jerk chicken spring rolls. And we do a lot of different types of cooking recipes. So check out the channel, check out the Vibe, and consider subscribing if you're not a subscriber. So now we're getting ready. You know, we ran out of products, so we're just rolling some plain chicken ones. It's always good to have some plain chicken ones, so it's a good thing we ran out of product. So these are plain chicken ones, just in case. We'll pile them up right here. So these ones are just chicken and sauce. And as I said, when you brush this one, just keep it nice and moist. Chicken in. That special sauce. And I know you're wondering, like, that sauce looks awesome. It does. It is awesome. And that's our egg roll. Now we're gonna get ready to go to our stove. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop them in, because it doesn't make sense I show you how to drop it. So this is a video how to drop it in the oil. Nah, you don't need to know how to drop it in the oil. I'm gonna drop them in the oil, then I'm gonna show you what's going on, and I'm gonna show you the finished product, and then we're gonna go from there. There you got it. Jerk chicken egg rolls. Jerk chicken egg rolls. Crazy Creative Kitchen. So whether you call them spring roll or you call them egg rolls, today we made them with yours truly, jerk chicken. So jerk chicken, spring rolls, egg rolls, whatever you call them. Look how beautiful those looks. Those look awesome. Those look delicious. Keep tuned to the Vibe. Thanks for watching. Crazy Creative Kitchen. Jerk chicken, spring rolls.